I was watching the launch of incwadi ka-advocate uMoses Kakane, and it was very interesting for me to observe all of the people, all of the black people, all of the black influential people that were present in the book launch ka-advocate uSkakane. And it was a very, very, very impressive book launch, and a lot was said that was very interesting. What interested me the most was hearing Advocate Moses Kakane when he said that the reason why he invited the people that he invited, he did that on purpose because he knows fully well that most of those people are no longer speaking to each other. Most of those people no longer get along. But it is people that originate from the same line of struggle. But because of this democracy that we live in and its influences, they find each other on different sides of the struggle line. And kungijabulisile ukubona abantu abafana noSolly Mapaila shaking hands with ubaba uJacob Zuma. If you judge the way that uSolly Mapaila has been very vocal against anything that has to do with Jacob Zuma, and if you listen to him most of the time when he talks about ubaba Jacob Zuma, he becomes irrational because there is nothing that he says that is politically valuable or something that is politically valid for anyone to discuss. So it was very impressive and very freshening to see all of those people, about Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, seeing about Arthur Fraser, seeing Floyd Shivambu, seeing about Jacob Zuma, and seeing many other people, about Tokyo Sexwale, being under one roof and actually celebrating each other and being happy to see each other. This just goes to show ukuthi uma abantu abamnyama befuna bengabumbana. If we can stop being selfish and looking at our own security individually, then we can unite for a cause that can serve all of us as black people. I would like to say Advocate Kakane is a true leader.